Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. This is the best time to prune and repot all kinds of plant. As your house plant grows larger and the roots either begin to grow through the drainage hole or become a pot bound, repotting the plant into a larger pot will become necessary. Previously, we have uploaded many videos about simple tips how you can repot your plant. But in today's video, you might have known that it is not about repotting the plants. Last year, my mom has already repotted some plants. But there are no signs of roots brown or any roots coming out of the drainage hole. So my mom is simply hard pruning the plant. For repotting, you must first choose a container, and second, you must choose a potting mix. My mom is not repotting right now, so my mom is only simply going to cut the unwanted plant and getting 1/4 of the topsoil of the plant. My mom did this to hibiscus, lemon, madhumaruti, guava, etc. Just keep watching. My mom will not only change 1/4 of the topsoil, but will also show you some tricks to make your plant healthy and bushier. Sometimes some might have a problem that your plant is too big and they can't do repotting. So you can grow your plant healthy and strong without repotting the plant. In the beginning of the video, I have already told you that my mom has removed 1/4 of the topsoil of the plant. So my mom is first giving fermented rice to the plant and fermented cooked rice water, and then covered this rice and rice water with the soil. Previously, we have uploaded about how to use the left rice in your garden. So if you want to know the benefits of it, then you can go to our channel and watch that video. Okay, let's see what other thing my mom uses. But if it's not possible for you to give fermented rice water or fermented cooked rice, then you can also give the fresh aloe vera slices to your plant. You must simply apply the pieces and just cover the soil. After 1 month, this will work as a best fertilizer for your plant. Many of you might think that fungal attack can happen from it, but my mom assures you that nothing like that will happen to your plant. After doing these 2 tips, you can have a handful of kitchen waste compost and give it to your plant. It will also work as a substitute of repotting. Okay, look at our plants after they have been done pruned after a week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.